Join SAS and TPM in the fight for making education accessible for all. Upon reading the byline, you may confuse me with ESPN's Stephen A. Smith, but I am not him. I'm Stephen A. Smith, a businessman, former educator, and lifelong advocate for educational equity. Over the years, I've witnessed firsthand the deep educational inequities faced by children of color in our public schools. But today, I'm here to offer a solution that can make a real difference for families and students in your community. For decades, I've seen these injustices firsthand, and the statistics are heartbreaking. Students of color are suspended or expelled at rates 3 times higher than their white peers. Economically disadvantaged students from diverse racial and ethnic backgrounds are the least likely to have highly qualified teachers. Students of color often face other racial microaggressions in school, such as being discouraged from taking advanced courses under assumptions about their academic potential, being disproportionately disciplined for behaviors similar to those of their white peers. They're also disproportionately placed in RTI and special education programs. In response to these challenges, I've partnered with Teach Practice Master, an innovative educational platform designed to close the gap between underfunded schools and those with greater resources. Teach Practice Master offers affordable, high-quality tutorials, practice exams, and instructional materials for students of all ages. I know that schools like yours are looking for ways to help families and students succeed. That's where Scholastic Advancement Systems comes in. Scholastic Advancement Systems works hand in hand with Teach Practice Master to ensure that students, especially those from underserved communities, get access to the tools they need to thrive academically. For less than $25 a week, families can access one of the most powerful tutorial programs available. This initiative is about making quality education accessible for all students, regardless of their zip code or income level. Growing up, my mother sacrificed $15 a week to buy encyclopedias for me and my siblings. She believed that knowledge was our key to a better future. Today, for less than $25 a week, households can access Teach Practice Master, one of the most powerful tutorial programs available. My mother did her part to fight educational inequities, and now I'm doing mine. Teach Practice Master is already helping students across the country, bridging the gap between underfunded schools and well-resourced districts. Now it's time for your school to help families discover this incredible opportunity. I'm asking you to share this message with your school community to give every student a fighting chance at a brighter future. Let's partner together to provide the support our students need to overcome educational inequities. Together, we can make a difference. Feel free to reach out to me for more details on how to get started. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to working with you.